In our last video, we set up a Raspberry Pi, and in most of the applications of Raspberry Pi, we usually connect the device remotely. So here I'm going to set up a static IP for my Raspberry Pi, which is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And these are like the four commands I will be using. So first we need to find the gateway address and then DNS address. Okay, so now I'm going to SSH to my Raspberry Pi. And the first command, this will give us the gateway address. And I'm going to put it somewhere. In the next command, it will give me the DNS details. Also the same. Not updating anything here. And in the third one, we're opening a configuration file. And we have provided an example for static IP, setting up static IP. So I will just uncomment this and update the values. And our our device is connected via Wi-Fi. So today, this is what I should do. In the static IP, I'm putting like 190. This V6, I'm not doing anything here. And our static router, it is 96 192.168.1.1, and the DNS, I'm removing the remaining ones. I will just press Ctrl A to save the changes, Ctrl X to exit. And next step is like I will reboot my Raspberry Pi. And once it's up and running, I will do SSH check-in and we will check the IP. You can try this command hostname -i to see the IP address, and you can see here the IP is set to our set to 192.168.1.190. That's what needed, and this won't be changed. Will not be changing, and you can put this IP in some environment variables or somewhere in the remote devices you will be using. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.